The north is so beautiful. And the food, ooh, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. It smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
Not be so that they do things now. Now today we don't they do business, Patrick. Just go. I don't know the prices of food delivery bikes. I don't understand. And these logistic companies, they are from hell. I don't even understand. It's just so frustrating.
Calm down, dear. Just take it easy.
So now I'm the one at fault. Yes, now I'm complaining about injustice, something that's annoying me and stressing small business owners like me, and suddenly it is my fault.
Baby, calm down. That's not what I said, okay? What I mean is, rather than look at the negative side of things, let's look on the bright side. Rather than feeling bad about the increase, why don't you think of buying a bike, hiring a bike man, and then making money from this increase?
Actually, that's a great idea. Oh, Tim. Thank you.
You almost crucified me now.
No, you just got me at a bad time, that's all.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Alrighty then. I'm glad I can help. So, I'm off to work.
Alright, so I'll send you the invoice for the delivery bike. You know, the sooner we buy it, the better. So that
Be calming down.
What?
What invoice? Is it not your business? Who's buying the bike?
Now you now, not be you suggest them.
No, be you get business. Young woman, invest your money in your business. Okay? Catcha. Bye, baby. Bye, honey.
No kiss for you.
Bye. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, everything. Love you, darling.
Baby, serious now.
Bye.
Seriously. Baby, thank you. I got the bike. Thank you for buying it. Of course now, am I not Oriako? Why don't I chop it? Anyway, baby. So now what's left for us to do is to hire a delivery man and place him on his salary. So right now I have like 3 applicants that I'm looking. Baby, hello? This man thinks he's smart.
Madam.
Sonny, how about you now?
Fine, I don't ready.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Good. So, I'll need you to deliver this food package to my client that lives in the next estate. It's not very far from here.
Okay. Madam, this your clients, they enjoy.
How will you say that?
You see as the smell, they enter person nose. I don't see this thing go sweet.
And then you know that they cook now, why not go sweet?
I say something was there involved.
You don't do. I'll send you the full details, her address and her phone number. Her name is Mrs. Henshaw.
Oh, okay,
Yes.
okay, madam.
Please, I beg, write carefully.
No.
Oh, yeah, pack her.
Madam, no.
Carry on from under.
Okay. Now just this one, I'll do.
Now just this one.
Okay, madam, I don't.
You don't cut.
Don't cut.
Alright.
No.
Mrs. Henshaw, I'm sure you're enjoying it.
Nneka, what kind of food did you deliver to my house today, I asked for 10 pieces of pepper turkey and you sent me 4 pieces.
No. I think there's a mistake. I packed and delivered 11 pieces of turkey. I even put 1 for Jara. So it can't be 4.
Look, I just came back from work and my house help showed me 4 pieces of turkey that she received from you.
No. Please, ma. Please ask your house help very well. Please. I'm very positive. I packed and delivered 11 pieces of turkey. Please ask her.
But Surya, so you ate my meat, Abi?
Hello? Mrs. Henshaw? No. I'm very sure. As usual, I'll send it to you. Harry, Onga. We'll be going in batches. So 1, 2, 3. Then careful. There we go. Take care.
What type of temptation is this? See as the food just dey smell. God, I hope see this woman no go find out.
Mrs. Angela, Chebidi.
What kind of insulting food did you send to me, madam? I paid you for jollof rice and beef, but you sent me concussion rice with 3 tiny pieces of meat.
Madam, I don't understand though.
I'll send the picture to your phone in case you didn't know what your staff brought here. And I want a refund. Yes, I want a refund.
Oh, please wait, please. You said you sent... Chick! What is this?
Driver, please. You see that bike in front? Just stay on him. Don't lose him, Hey, please don't lose him. Don't lose him. Please hurry.
My people, how are they now? Madam, I agree to.
Sonny, stop there. Freeze. Stop there. So this is what you do. Food that you're supposed to deliver to my customers, you sit here and eat it.
No vex.
Is it a crime that I hired you, Sonny? I gave you a job. So you just choose to mess up my business, Abi?
Madam, na the devil. No
Na the
vex,
devil?
Na devil cause
Na the devil. Now that devil can't implicate you today. You will sleep in
Madam,
police
I
cell.
beg, madam,
You will
I beg.
sleep in police cell today, I promise you.
I beg.
You will sleep.
You said the
Hello? The north is so beautiful. And the food, ooh, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. It smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.